Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger Lariat. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bedliner with this vehicle as well. Mud flaps on the rear and front with a gripped running board, side view camera, spotlights, lights, blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, got a little storage here, USB-C, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get your little storage underneath the seat, which is pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 106 kilometers. We get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, my view, trip and field, towing, off-road, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, park sensing, auto stop, auto start, traction, tow and haul mode, 4-wheel drive with your drive modes, cup holders, more storage with the wireless charging, outlets. You do get some storage underneath as well with the 12 volt. Got dual climate with hazards, storage above and below. And looking above me, we do have our features for our powered rear window opener, which is pretty handy. We got our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls as well. Your navigation. Any media right here, such as your music. Tow and haul mode. And you got your climate controls at the bottom with dual climate. We got heated seats, heated steering wheel. We're going to go back here with our settings and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE36313, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.